Turbo Camry Pt26. Stainless steel downpipe made. Put the oil back in the engine. Freshly rebuilt motor. Well, no problems with starting it up, it seems. Excellent. Look at that turbo wind down. That's a dual ceramic bearing Garrett core. Drive shaft. Pretty engine bay. Looking pretty schmick. Skyline brakes, Lexus brake rotors, semi-slick tires. Need some grip. It's time to give it a run. So I kind of started to run into some problems on this first run. It turns out that I actually had a bit of a fuel problem. I tried to add in some fuel in the ECU, but turns out it wasn't really working out. That's way too much. I've got this little sensor put in there so I could measure the fuel pressure of the actual whole system. Turns out I had a bit of a blockage from the standard fuel pulsation dampener. The rubber kind of deteriorated after sitting around for a year without any fuel in it. So that was blocking the fuel line and seeing some really high pressures built up from the pump. So got rid of that and we'll give it another go. Basically this pull that we're going to do here is only about 17 psi. Nice and safe just for now until we wind it all the way up. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so this is just a couple of photos going back in time now, so this is pretty much the final result of the build. June 2020. Going back to May 2019, that's when I put together the rear differential, figured out how I was going to do an all-wheel drive gearbox. That's your transfer case. It's a RAV4 transfer case. And then before any of the all-wheel drive stuff, back to December 2018, 2017, did custom engine mounts, and that was the original turbo, the original setup. Quite a bit different there. And here's all the way back to the original forged build. There's those nice shiny CP pistons. I can't believe it's been over 3.5 years since I've started doing this project. That's the end of the main build. There's always more. It's time to build a new fuel tank, because that one is a piece of shit. Apparently the world's fastest Camry is based in Perth as well, so we'll have to do something about that. Stay tuned.